This tutorial is going to show you how to set up your web page. You can pause it and go back at any time. So from the 2028 Survivors web page, you're going to go to the Quests page, scroll down to where it says Resources, and press Create Your Own Website. This is going to take you to the Google Sites page. Google Sites is the web page that we're going to be using to create our own websites. This is what the 2028 Survivors page is also made on, so it's going to look kind of similar. So at first I'm going to go over what you must do, and then if you finish those things and you have extra time at any point, then you can go and customize and do extra stuff after you finished. So the first thing you must do is you're going to create your page title. So the very first page, you're just going to put your gamer tag. So this is not your gamer type, this is your gamer tag, the name that shows up on your leaderboard. You can title the page whatever you would like. And when you click off of it, it will show up here as well. After you've done that, we are going to add in our badges and our achievements here so that they show up the very first thing when somebody goes to our web page. So right underneath our gamer tag heading, we're going to go to Insert, scroll down to where it says Sheets. This is going to show us all of the Google Sheets that we have. Now I have a bunch. I'm going to need to go to Search and then type in badges earned. If you see yours pop up right here, you would just click on it. I have a bunch of different ones, so I'm going to use Brandon's as an example because he already has 2 badges earned. So I would click on it, press Insert, and it's going to automatically insert that page onto my website so that I can display my badges proudly. As I get achievements, I will also see those here as well. So Brandon already has 2, which is fantastic. If you see a bunch of blank boxes here, it means you haven't earned any badges yet. That's okay. You can go ahead and resize it just by clicking and dragging your cursor. And I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger, but that's up to you how you want to do it. You can also, when you see this little cross section cursor, that means that you can move something just by clicking and dragging it over. So I'm going to move that more towards the center. So I have my badges displayed here. Even if you don't have any badges yet, please put this section here so that when you get them, they will automatically upload onto your website. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to Pages. We're going to create a new page. So this first page is just called our home page. We're going to leave that alone. And there's going to be this little button that says Add Page. Click on it, and we're going to call our next page Quarter 1. Notice how I put a capital Q for Quarter 1 because this is a title of a page. And then I'm going to press Done. That's going to create my Quarter 1 page for me. And this is where I'm going to display all of my work for Quarter 1. If you've ever used a portfolio before, it's a very similar concept. So we're going to press Insert, Google Docs, and we're going to find our classified ad. So if you were just working on it, it should pop up here. If you don't see it here, you can also search for it by going to Quest 2 Classified Ad. You would click on it, press Insert. Same deal, it's going to pop up right here, and you can go ahead and resize it if you want to. Once you've done that, then the next step is to publish. So when we publish something, it means that we are putting it out there for the world to see. So we're going to press Publish. It's going to ask us for the end of our site address. We're just going to add our gamer tag here. So you're going to put yours. Now I already practiced making this one, so I already made one called gamer tag. If you see this too, if you see that is a great address but it's already taken, please raise your hand and I'll come give you an alternate, but yours should be fine with your individual gamer tags if left alone here. It says who can visit my site? Well, we're actually going to put anyone on the web because we want your parents to be able to see these pages too. I'm going to have to add a 1 just so that it knows it's a unique gamer tag. And then you're going to press Publish. And now it says that my site has been published successfully, which is fantastic. That means that my page is live for people to see. And if you want to know what it looks like for people going to your web page, you can press this little button that says Preview, and it will take you to what it looks like for people when they arrive at your page. If you want to exit out of the preview and go back to editing it, you can press Exit Preview right there. Now we're back in the editing part. At this point, you've done everything that you must do. This next part is just optional. I'm just going to show you how you can customize a few things and make it look how you want it to look. If you go up to themes, there are a bunch of different themes for the color scheme and the layout and the font and how you want it to look. So you can scroll down and see the different themes here. So I can click on Diplomat and it might show me, what that looks like, or Aristotle, etc. And then when you have that, you can press Font Style, and you can play around with the different styles of font for each one, or even the different colors for what you might want that to look like. There's a lot of different options here. And then if you wanted to add more pages for here, you could do that. And if there's anything else you wanted to showcase from your Google Drive, you have the option to do that here. Please do not add any YouTube videos or anything like that yet. We will get there, just please don't do that yet. But if there's something that you're really proud of that you've worked on, then you can feel free to add that to your page here. This will automatically save for you, but if you're done, editing something and you want it to go live on your page, then you would just press publish. So if I updated this now, it would publish and it would make sure that everybody could see that. And that's it for now. We will definitely come back to this more and address more and all the different things you could do on your page here. For now, just make sure that you have your title. Make sure that on the home page you have your badges displayed. Even if you don't have your badges yet, just want to make sure that we have this box so that they do pop up when I add them for you. And you have a Q1 page that has your classified ad right beneath it. And that's it for now.